Okay, this is June 15th, but we've been gone all of May and June, and so didn't get to work in the garden much. And so I went out and pulled up all the weeds, and in here I have put down boards and pulled up all the weeds. And so the next thing you do is spade up the area once. You don't need to just gently turn over a little bit, loosen up the soil, basically is about it. So that's what I'm doing with this pitchfork here, just loosen up the soil a little bit. And I put down these boards on the edges, and they are 6 foot across, so you can reach in 3 feet from each side to take care of the flower bed. And then after I get this the seeds in here, I won't be walking on this bed anymore. So after I get the soil here just loosened up a little bit, I'll rake it out and get rid of the big dirt clods and any big sticks or something in there. Okay, now I'm just raking out just to get rid of all the big dirt clods and everything, and just loosen up the soil a little bit. And here's the wildflower seeds that we're going to plant. And this is from Burpees. It's a very good name in flower seeds, and they're packed for this year. So in these mixes like this, I usually have an inert matter in the seeds so that they're easier for you to spread. And it says just to loosen up the soil a little bit and broadcast them. Broadcast means just to sprinkle them out, and that's what I'm going to do right now. Just tear off the top of the package. And there it is in there. The seeds are in that matter. So I probably should have been doing this walking on the boards, but I kind of forgot and walked on the flower bed. So I'm going to try and only walk on the boards after this, after I rake the seed in. So I've got like 4 packages of these, so I'm just going to sprinkle them all onto here. Okay, so just gently rake the seeds in. I don't put any weight at all on the rake. The only weight on the rake is the weight of the rake itself, and so I'm careful not to put any weight on it. So it's just gently raking the seeds in, because you don't want to move the seeds. Just spread them around maybe, and cover them up with less than a quarter or an eighth inch of soil is all you need. So just gently rake the seeds in, maybe get them just barely covered, maybe make them more even than what I was broadcasting them. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And here they are after I did that. Just gently rake them all in. And here it is the next day after all that rain that we had this morning. And you can see how it's really beat down the soil. But if you look really close, I think you can actually see some of the seeds here laying on top. And you can see that most of that inert matter that was used to sprinkle the seeds with, that they included, is gone. But anyway, here's what it looks like the next day after all that rain we got. So I'm going to keep these wet over the next couple of weeks, and I'll let you know every weekend how they're doing. I think that video comes out on Monday, where we'll do a garden walk and show how everything is doing, and I'll show you how these seeds are doing every week. So if you like these videos, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I will talk to you next time, and thanks a lot and goodbye.